Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a Bluetooth speaker. I got the Boss audio system, Bluetooth, with an amplifier. This is the 420B, and we're going to put it on the Eahora M1P PRO. There it is. This is the amp right here, a mini amp. And the speaker itself. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice. Matte black, matches the bike. Alright. Okay guys, this is the setup right here. External battery for the speakers. There'll be 40 volt lithium Ryobi battery. It's too powerful for this amp, so I'm gonna use this to power it down to 12 volts. Right? That's the that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. From here to here to the amp, from the amp to the speakers. Alright, got some fuse right here to get maybe later. Get some heat shrink after we solder and splice everything together. This thing comes with a body right here, up. I'll place it in the handle somewhere. This is the dock for this battery right here. So I'm gonna recharge it, take it off, recharge it, put it back in. Alright guys, we did a mock-up. We connected everything, power, ground with a fuse, and then this is the input, and then the output. We connected the amplifier to the power, ground, and now we got power on the amplifier. And I just turned it on, it works. Check it out. It's off, and then turn it on. You hear it. There you go. The two speakers are down here. So that's good news. That's working. It works. Now we're just gonna have to figure out how to integrate this on and off switch. So that's what we're gonna do right now. But everything works good. I'm gonna see if I can play some music, just a little bit, because I don't want to get be copyrighted. It's hooked up to my Bluetooth right now. Yeah, it works. Why is it not playing though? Let's see what's going on. Is it connected? Yes, it's connected. Oh, just because I think my Meta glasses is still connected, so I'm gonna turn it off and see if it works. I mean, it works, but I guess my Meta glasses is interfering, so I'm gonna turn off my Meta glasses. Okay guys, this is the one we're gonna be replacing. It's just a cylinder box, Bluetooth speaker. Really not satisfied with it when you're going 50-55 miles per hour. You can't really hear the sounds, so I decided to go for a budget build, custom build right here. The Boss audio system. I tested it out already. It's pretty loud, so I'm satisfied with it. And we're gonna remove this and install that somewhere here. Then it's gonna be external battery, so it's not getting any power from the bike, so I got more juice for the riding purposes. So yeah, I'm gonna install it and solder it all together and stuff like that. I'm not going to get a version of that, but I'm going to use the connector heat shrink, and then figure out how to integrate this one. Like I said, the part that's right here, and then drill a hole with that measure nice. I got my step right here, so I can build up the hole for this switch. So yeah, we'll put it up there and afterwards. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. If you guys are interested, comment down below. Anything I can help with. Let me know if you got this kind of bike. It's the M1P Pro Eahora. Please subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys on the next video.